Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, electrical graduates, electronics graduates, CEC and IT graduates, and automobile graduates. So let us go into the video. Totally, today we are going to see three different jobs from three different companies. The first company is Rolls-Royce, the second is Ford company, and third is Mercedes-Benz. So let us start with the Mercedes-Benz. So now they are offering a job vacancy for the fresher as well as experienced candidate from BE Mechanical, Automobile, CSC, IT across all over India. So company website is given here. Regarding the company, you can have a glance in my description. So two different jobs are available. First is CFD thermal analysis engineer. So here what is your responsibilities? You need to build, run, evaluate, investigate and propose solution. You need to interact with the global distributed technical team. You will be responsible for quality as well as timeline for the assigned task. You need to plan and complete your project in time and execute and show your execution in the result. You need to ensure the fulfillment of the applicable guidelines, and as a candidate you need to have good understanding of fluid dynamics and heat transfer fundamental. You must be skilled with CFD, computational fluid dynamics, using commercially available tools. You need to have excellent oral, written, graphic communication skill will be an added advantage. Apply link will be available in the description. Use all the information and link available in description and apply for the job. And next is powertrain DES simulation engineer in the same company. For this qualification is BE BTech in mechanical and industrial engineering. For this you need to have relevant experience in the relevant area for 6 to 8 years. So you need to have experience in creating material flow simulation, and you need to have experience in automotive field project specialization in powertrain assembly and production. Other than that, you need to create the simulation model as per the given input. You need to run the simulation and experiment and do the analysis. You need to prepare the presentation of key result and analyze them and use your strategy for recommendation. For this, education is BE BTech in mechanical. Apply link will be available. Click here and apply for the job. The next is Ford company. They are offering job vacancy for mechanical, EEE, ECE, and both fresher and experience can apply. Company website is given here. Regarding the company, they are a family of organization with one of the trans sees the globe and share the standards. So have a glance of the highlights of the company, and if you are willing means you just go further and apply for the job. So job title will be inventory analyst. So job location is in Chennai. What you need to do is you need to do the procurement of service parts and schedule the release of on the suppliers, and follow up with the QC team. You need to follow up with the purchase for resolving the purchase related issues. You need to respond for customer liaison and high level help desk. You need to coordinate with the supply technical assistance. So other than that, you need to control the availability of specific range of parts stocks in the European. You need to work in conjunction with supplier to secure on time delivery. You need to work with the suppliers to ensure the feedback of the delivery information. So qualification is B mechanical. Apply link will be available there, so available in the description. Use the link and apply for the job. And same company, they are also having another job title for engineer safety CAE. Same job location Chennai. You will be responsible for delivering safety models of all body structure and BAW and enclosure them. You need to have expertise in safety and full vehicle knowledge about adjacent subsystem. You should possess good communication skill, communication with the customer and machine, and you need to be able to lead a team and distribute the task across the team. You need to plan, organize and control the task activities, and be BTech or above in mechanical relevant domains. So 5+ years of experience in BAW, and there will be a link available in the description. Use the link and apply for the job. The next one is Rolls-Royce. So for this, who can apply? Those who are having mechanical engineering, a wide opening is there. Go to the company website and check the details. So regarding the company, they have given here. So have a glance of the company. So they are thrilled to announce the opening of Sandro Penny inaugural Dream Commission, and just have a glance of it. So I'm not reading each and every line. So if you feel or if you want to be one among them means, you kindly apply for the job. And job title is TS and E design engineer. for this qualification is you need to qualify the professional engineering degree level or equivalent to mechanical or aeronautical. You need to have a good understanding of gas turbine engines design process and have experience in multi-skilling both across core design and stress and product definition. So other key responsibilities is you need to provide component design solution. You need to understand the system subsystem requirement. You need to provide a clear understanding of task requirement and product life cycle of the shaft structure and transmission components. There will be a link available in the description. You just click there and apply for the job. So for this qualification, as I mentioned below, you just follow it up and use the link and apply for the job. They will be contacting you or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further process. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to mechanical, electrical, electronics, CSE, IT and automobile graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.